Hey, Shawn Cole here. Ever had a game-changing idea, but doubt stopped you cold? Today, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to test your digital product idea. No more guessing, just real action. Stick around for a free ebook to help you get started. Let me tell you about Mark. He had a brilliant idea for an online community years before Facebook, but fear held him back, and someone else made millions with the same concept. Mark's biggest regret, not trying. Don't let fear rob you of your shot. The pain of what if is far worse than any failure. Let's get practical. Write down 5 things you do well, anything at all. Circle the one you could talk about for 30 minutes. No prep. That's your zone of genius. This is your starting point for building something real. Your story is your superpower. Think about how your life experiences shape your top skill. Write down 3 ways your journey connects to that skill. Authenticity is what draws people in. Use your story to connect. Success comes from solving real problems. Find out what your audience is struggling with. Dive into forums, groups, and reviews. Make a list of their biggest pain points. Your goal, become the solution they're searching for. Now, match your top skills to the problems you found. Draw lines. Where do they overlap? That's your sweet spot. Focus on the problem you're most excited to solve. This is where your digital product idea is born. Choose a content format you enjoy: video, audio, writing, or visuals. Consistency matters more than trendiness. Pick what you'll stick with. Create a rough first draft. Just start. Perfectionism kills progress. Get your idea out there, even if it's rough. Use tools like ChatGPT or NVIDIA AI to help you create quickly. Share your first piece of content with a small audience. Progress beats perfection every time. Before you go further, check if people are already buying similar solutions. Search for courses, ebooks, or products in your niche. Competition means demand. Your job: offer your unique spin and value. Don't undervalue your offer. Price confidently, sometimes even higher than competitors if you deliver more. Identify 3 competitors and their pricing. List 3 ways you can add extra value: bonuses, community, support. People pay for results and transformation. Test your idea with a simple landing page or outline. Share it with a small group. Get honest feedback. Listen, tweak, and improve before going big. Early feedback is gold. You now have a clear framework to turn your idea into reality. Don't let regret be your story. Take action, learn, and grow. For more, download my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI and Digital Marketing, at The Ultimate Guide to AI and Digital Marketing. It's packed with practical tools to amplify your message. The world needs your unique solution. Start building now. I believe in you. Talk soon.